PowR'Kraft GTS1500E with the adjustable discharge chute, the removable 2-inch hitch ball receiver, and 12-inch tires for easy use, 15 horsepower engine with key electric start, the emergency stop button, and easy-to-use tow handle. Pneumatic 12-inch tires make it easy to tow this unit behind a small vehicle or by hand. 13 by 15.5-inch feed chute opening with 40.5-inch height for easy loading. The emergency stop button is easy to use. Just turn the knob until it pops out to cut power to the motor. Then press the button back in to reset and continue chipping. This rugged machine is great for yard cleanup. The drum-style chipper generates enough airflow to chip branches with needles or foliage, and is rugged enough to handle up to 4-inch diameter logs.